Hello, pals. Good morning and welcome to Maximum Guitar Readings. My name is Dr. Idiarukwe. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you a very simple way to play the ARIARIA rhythm. Okay? You know, ARIARIA has a special way of vamping. So I'm going to be demonstrating this song with a simple song. Chineke idima, 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 idima. So I'll be doing this song on key F. So I'm on this shape, the C shape. That is, I have my F note on the sixth string, the sixth fret, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the F note. And of course you can pick your sofa from there. So if you have not watched my video on different scale positions, I'll put the link in the description. So this is the F chord. That's the F chord. All right. Do re mi fa sol la ti do re mi fa sol la da 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 da. Okay. So now this simple song is on Idema, one chord. Idema, Idema, 4. Idema, 5. That's 5, 7. Idema. So remember that the one chord for F is F. Then the 4 chord is B flat. All right. While the 5 chord is C7. Okay. So I hope you know these shapes. Okay. Normally, the vamping is you know, last time I taught you how to play different Highlife rhythms. So in this vamping, we are following the hi-hat. So look at it. So with your, on that F note, you play an upstroke, then you go downstroke. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. That is do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do. So look at what I'm doing there. I'm just adding a note with, that's re note with my pinky. So resolving to 1, then I play a dominant 7 note there. That's C7. So remember, you can play C7 this way, you can play it this way. So whichever shape. So you can resolve with any of the 7. You can also resolve with your 2. Alright, so that's a very simple way to play that area. So let's go over it again. Chineke idima, idima, idima. So you can add notes based on your taste and what you want to express. All right, guys. At least basically this is what you need for ARIARIA rhythm or vamping as a beginner. So I hope you practice it and get conversant with it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, I love you guys. Bye.